And here is the leftovers of breakfast. I had some muesli. Is that what it's called? Sure, muesli with banana, half a banana, and a coffee.
Amanda, your bacon's ready.
I wish I was gonna eat that. And I'm heading into Toronto. I'll show you what I'm wearing today. Roots dress. Little pair of Old Navy booties I found. Not too fast, mister. Heading into Toronto, big drive ahead. Should have left 15 minutes ago. Story of my life. Let's go. A couple of essentials. I'm taking some water, some hairspray, new favorite lipstick. It's called Honey from Josie Marin. Headset, phone, on y va. I have already dropped the ball. I had a chai tea latte, and a sesame bagel with cream cheese, and I forgot to show you. But I'll tell you why I forgot to show you, because I was extremely distracted. A friend of mine had her baby. Well, her baby's 4 months old. You might have seen him on Instagram. He's the cutest thing ever. And she was in the office here at the kin office here, and it was like the cutest baby I've ever seen. So I got distracted. I was holding the baby. Anyway, so I had like a second breakfast because I only ate half of that cereal this morning, and I got quite hungry. But yeah, I will remember to show you my lunch, guaranteed. Sorry about that. All right, so I didn't forget for this next one. So I have been sipping on water on the drive here. So it's about 2:15 now and I'm on my way home, and I drove past a couple of fast food places, but I gotta tell you, I've been noticing that my clothes are just fitting a little bit snugger. So I'm filling out a little bit, getting a little bit curvy, and I don't know if it's because I'm doing exercise that's building muscle or what's going on, but anyway. So I stopped at Booster Juice. I've always loved Booster Juice. I got the Canadian Colada. I tend to get the Canadian Colada whenever I'm in there. It's like a coconut tropical loveliness. And then I went and I got a wrap. So they had like a Chipotle steak wrap or something like that. I don't know. I chose whatever one was closest to. And I figure what's nice about it is that it's a wrap. It's not a burger, it doesn't have fries, and it'll tide me over. I just need a little snack because it's gonna be dinner in a couple hours anyway. So I'm happy, I made a good choice. I'm trying to make better choices with my food. Not that I tend to eat a lot of stuff or a lot of sweet stuff or even indulge really, but it's just, I tend to eat a little too much of everything. So I'm happy with this choice. Let's keep driving and get home. Let's check out my wrap. Let's see, a nice crispy wrap. Oh, looks pretty good. Nice and hot, little steak on the inside. I can make it work. Pretty good. Excuse me, is this love?
No.
Oh. Home sweet home, 3:23, I sure can. And I'm making a coffee. Ignore the wine bottle behind. Oh, how do I, is this new?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, okay, hold on. No wine will be had right now, but coffee for sure. I could have grabbed a coffee on the road, but can I tell you a secret? I actually prefer my own coffee. Oh, you wanna hold me? Can I have a hug? Do we look the same now? I wonder if people will think we look like twins. No. No? You love me? What?
Yeah.
I missed him. Oh, I'm in my comfy clothes. Sweatshirt, cozy socks, sweatpants, yeah?
This shirt, this picture is new.
Oh, it's really nice. For the cream. You guys know I love this sweatshirt. I have my Roots sweatpants on and furry socks. Basically, I am in the comfy position. A little bit of work here. So for dinner tonight, Dean's whipping up a Greek salad. Do you want to tell us more about it?
No. There's shrimp. I put shrimp in it. It's just cucumbers and feta cheese and tomato and onion. I didn't have red onion. And some olives.
All my favorite
And I put
things.
some shrimp in it. These shrimp were on sale. Yeah, a free plug for Zares.
Yes, Loblaws, President's Choice.
$5 for the peel and eat. Now,
This isn't sponsored, we're just excited.
I don't know how it's sourced or anything, but I'm sure it's okay if it's PC. And
$5.
$5 for a bag.
And our kids like shrimp.
So I got 5 bags. I'm gonna go buy a lot tomorrow.
Yummy. And then you're making...
I made some coconut rice.
Yeah, coconut rice.
And then what's in here? I'm gonna just boil some shrimp for the kids.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm gonna make creamy noodles. And I'll show you how to do that creamy noodle, like creamy noodles for people that don't...
Like on the go?
Restaurant pasta for people that like, I don't know how to do that.
I like it.
It's real simple.
Okay.
So what you want to do is just take about a couple tablespoons or a tablespoon of olive oil. Let that heat up for a while. Smash yourself up a clove of garlic and throw it in the oil, about medium-high heat. And what you want to do is you're just flavoring this little bit of oil, getting some of the garlic flavor into your extremely simple, what would we call this, pasta?
Creamy noodles.
I kind of love your pasta, but I didn't have a lot of time. And see, it's starting to burn like that. Just take it out. You're done with that part. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, this is a cup of this broth.
Just beef broth.
Yeah, beef broth, but this is the good stuff, and put about a half a cup in there, like that. And now you're gonna cook it down. If you want it to be saltier and stronger, then reduce more than half. I put half a cup in there. And have your whipping cream, use the 35% stuff. That's what you want to use for whipping cream. Crème de la Floride.
Yeah. God. Also drinking a giant cup of coconut water.
And I'm having a maple donut.
Dean likes to make up drinks. I didn't try it, sounds weird.
It's maple syrup. Whatever alcohol you have, I use brandy and milk. It's delicious.
Gross. Still love you though.
So now you gotta watch it. Just as it starts to get, see it's getting thicker, it's reducing like that.
Yeah.
Just that point where you go, oh, this is gonna burn. Get your whipping cream. See how it's just getting like a gel almost?
Yeah.
And put a couple cups of your whipping cream in there. And you'll wanna leave it on to max heat, but you don't wanna leave it because it's gonna bubble over and cause a big problem. So when it starts to bubble, you can lift it up for a second and reduce the heat. And then you're gonna reduce that to a really thick, as thick as you want, creamy consistency. That's it. Throw your shrimps that you've already cooked in there.
Pre-cooked, we cooked those already.
If you wanted to add like ham or tomatoes or onion or whatever, you would do that at the just right after the when you cook the garlic.
Okay.
You put the
I
beef broth
see.
in.
Okay, yeah.
It's gonna get bubbly like that. And the nice thing about these high-sided kind of wok-looking things is you're probably not gonna get it boiling over, which is fantastic. Now it's reduced and creamy, and you can tell when you drag it across, it's getting
It's like a thicker.
It's getting more thick, yep. And that's pretty well all you got to do. And when you shut the heat off, when it cools a little, it's gonna be quite a bit thicker. So you don't want, you don't want it to be a gel.
Yeah, so that's done, right?
Yeah. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put we have our cooled shrimps, Jack likes shrimps, so we'll put our shrimps in there. That'll cool it off. We'll warm that up a bit. And you can turn the heat pretty well off now.
Yeah.
And then we pre-cooked our pasta. And I put it in cold water. Ignore the soap suds. It's pretty. There's no soap involved.
There's no soap. We did not wash the pasta.
And then, because your pasta, you cook it to al dente, and then you put it in cold water. Then it's gonna be burning in a little bit here.
Don't talk and cook.
Jesus, that should be okay. And that's it.
Nice.
Yeah. And pour it on the plate.
I made that the other day, but I didn't make it using that method. I couldn't quite remember how he
Pick
had
out
done
the
it.
correct spots.
But it's a much easier one, and the kids love it. Like such an easy little creamy pasta that we like to give the kids. Yummy. All right. So we got some Greek feta and oregano sauce. You know, I've made my own, but I gotta say, in this situation, I almost prefer the store-bought stuff. All right, perfect. And Dean made a little bit of rice, so this is just like a coconut rice with the shrimp and the yummy salad, and I'm ready to eat. Damn. Just making a fried banana with
you.
with homemade whipped cream. I could just shake my stick at this man. He always makes such yummy food. He's like, do you want one? I'm like, I don't need one, but it tastes good.
Hey, happy wedding anniversary.
Get out of here. Huge trouble. But it tastes good. I did have salad for dinner. Balance, balance. Is it yummy?
5 straight bananas.
Is it delicious?
Give one to Mom.
Give me a bite.
It's real with cream for coffee.
Delicious.
You're a good sharer. Thank you, baby.
I'm about to go watch a movie, which is a rare event, and I'm gonna have a little snack because it's a movie and it's like 2 hours long or whatever it is. So I'm gonna have coconut water with a scoop of these collagen beauty greens. This was actually sent to me from Vital Proteins, a little gift, and a little side of these peanut butter filled pretzels, which are incredible. I have been hunting for these for a long time and they're real good. drink. It doesn't taste that great, but it doesn't taste that bad, to be honest. This is coconut vanilla flavor, which seems really weird with the greens in it, but I know it's good for me, so I'll bang it back. And I got some water to wash it down. Face is washed. I look a little pale, but anyway, I know it's good for me, so I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm trying to just incorporate these little things into my daily life to, you know, make me feel better and actually feel better on the inside. But balance, right? So I'm off to go watch the movie. I think it's called I, Tonya. Tonya Harding, Nancy Kerrigan. That was like my jam back in the day. So I'm excited to see this movie and just chill out for a bit. And that's a wrap. So thank you so much for tuning in to today's video of what I eat in a day. Sorry about the dishwasher background noise. It's late and that sucker's gotta run. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. And that's it. Keep it real, friends. Bye.